In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. First, open Monday.com in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace so the boards you need are visible. If something is missing, request access before you build so your metrics pull in correctly. On the left side of the screen, click the plus icon in the sidebar, then choose Dashboard. A setup window opens. Give your dashboard a clear name. Type KPI dashboard so teammates can find it later. Next, choose the privacy setting that fits your needs. Main is visible to everyone, shareable works with external guests, and private limits access to selected people. Pick the level that matches the sensitivity of your KPIs. You can change this later in the dashboard settings if your audience shifts. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard. You'll be asked to connect data. Select the board you want this dashboard to draw from, the one that holds the items, statuses, numbers, and dates you plan to track. If prompted, choose specific groups that contain the items you care about. If your KPIs span multiple processes, you can connect more boards later, but start with the most important one to keep things simple. Click Done to confirm. Your new dashboard opens with a blank canvas ready to customize. Think about the questions you need this view to answer: progress, volume, timelines, or outcomes, and arrange the canvas accordingly. You can drag widgets later to rearrange and resize them, so don't worry about perfect placement at the start. To start visualizing, add a widget. Click Add Widget and choose the type that best represents your metric. For quick sums or counts, use a numbers widget. To see trends over time, choose a chart. A battery widget shows status distribution at a glance, and a table widget can surface the exact items behind a metric. After you add a widget, pick the connected board, select the relevant group or items, and set filters like status owner or date range. Adjust the time frame to align with weekly, monthly, or quarterly reporting. As you customize, rename widgets so their purpose is obvious and keep labels consistent across the dashboard. When you're done, your KPI dashboard will provide a focused, real-time snapshot your team can trust and act on.